Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your controller is not working in Marathon on PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several solutions that can help you fix the problem step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Marathon and select Properties. Click on the Controller tab on the left side. Find Override for Marathon. Open the drop-down menu and select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and see if your controller works. If it still doesn't work, go back to Override for Marathon and select Disable Steam Input. Then, test the game again. Solution 2. Now open Steam again. Click on Steam in the top left corner. Select Settings. Go to the Controller section. Open External Gamepad Settings. Now enable only the options for the controller you use. For example, if you use an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. You can also try disabling it if it doesn't work. If you use a PlayStation controller, find PlayStation controller support and set it to not enabled. If that doesn't work, select Enabling Games Without Support. You can do the same for Switch controllers or generic controllers. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if needed. Solution 3. Next, open the Start menu. Type Device Manager and open it. Expand Human Interface Devices. Locate your gamepad. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Then right-click it again and select Enable Device. Solution 4. If the controller still doesn't work, right-click your gamepad in Device Manager. Select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your gamepad driver and click Next. Wait for the driver to install. Final step. Once everything is done, launch Marathon and test your controller again. Your controller should now work properly in the game. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.